So, by the end of this month, aalis na kami dito, guys. May mga times na worried pa din kami, may mga fears, may mga takot. It's going to be another place for us, for you as well. Ang dami-dami na nating lugar na napuntahan. Saan na naman tayo ngayon? This is my breakfast. Chapati pizza. So, I made 2. Ito din yung baon ni Mishka. So, ito na lang din yung ginawa ko para sa akin for my breakfast. Now, it's time to prepare for lunch na naman. Katatapos ko lang mag-almusal. Actually, late ako nag-almusal. Kasi may mga ginagawa-gawa ako. Maghanda na naman tayo ng para sa lunch. 11:30 na kasi. Isda for lunch, guys. Pero itong isda na to, kailangan ko siyang linisin. Kasi nung binili namin siya, nung galing kami Kanur, hindi nila nililinis. So, ako dapat yung maglinis nito. So, while I'm busy cleaning this fish, sisikahin ko na lang kayo. So, earlier today, we made a video. So, yeah, we made the biggest decision of our life so far. And that is Abhi leaving his job. So, there are some things that we were not able to talk about in that video because we wanted it to be just, you know, short. And hindi yung parang ang dami naming discussion. So, it was just a very short video. Just to tell you that we are leaving in 2 weeks or maybe less than that. So, by the end of this month, aalis na kami dito, guys. We have already told our landlady last month pa na until end of March na lang kami dito. It's kind of scary, actually. May mga times na worried pa din kami, may mga fears, may mga takot. Pero yung iniisip na lang namin ni Abhi, let's just stay positive. Yung palagi kong iniisip, I have read it somewhere. Instead of being scared of what future holds for us, it's better to look at the brighter side and be excited of what the future awaits for us. Kasi if magiging, you know, negative lang kami, hindi kami magiging masaya. And the reason why he left this job is because he was not happy anymore. So, what's the use of overthinking and not being happy when the reason why he's leaving this job is he wanted to be, you know, happy, to have a happy life, a happy family life. So yeah, 2 weeks na lang, guys, and it's going to be another place for us, for you as well. Ang dami-dami na nating lugar na napuntahan. Saan na naman tayo ngayon is, I think we have not discussed that in the previous video. So this time, we are now going home. We are now going to Patna, our home, Abhi's hometown. And we'll start anew. So that's also one reason why we went home. If you remember, we went home last September ba yun? September, October. Sa Patna. I forgot when we went home. Because that time, we wanted to check how our life will be once we leave Madikeri, once Abhi left his job. So that's why I have mentioned in that video while we are going home to Patna that there is this one important thing that we need to do. That is to check how our life will be living with a family. Kasi tiniming namin na umuwi kami nung walang any festival. Usually, di ba, umuwi kami sa Patna tuwing may festival. But that time, umuwi kami nang walang festival because we just wanted to experience yung normal life, yung walang any okasyon kung paano yung magiging buhay namin on a daily basis sa pag-uwi namin sa Patna. So, that's the reason kung bakit kami umuwi last year sa Patna, guys. So, now I can share it kasi nung last, hindi ko pa siya masabi kasi, di ba, nasa plano pa lang yun na magre-resign si Abhi. But that's the reason kung bakit kami nauwi doon. So, we'll start another chapter ng buhay namin next month. And this time, parang excited din ako because we are going to live in our house na. And I'm kind of excited because this time, I will be able to, you know, do things inside the house that I wasn't able to do in our apartments right now or before because it's not our house. And this time we are going to our own house. So I will have all the freedom to do whatever I want inside the house. So that's also one thing why I'm excited. We are finally going home to Patna. 4 years after matapos yung bahay, we are finally going home. Let's fry our fish. I am using coconut oil. Medyo malinamnam kasi yung isda kapag coconut oil yung gamit.
I need to get my water because my
Okay.
very dark.
Let me see your badge first. I am thankful. Tapos, meron silang takeaway na wall hanging. So, ito yung kanilang takeaway. Merong canvas. And they are going to paint their hands on the canvas. There's an instruction here. So, ano yung kanilang gagawin. What's included inside is a cloth, a beak, and ice. So, yan yung kanyang beak and ice. Ala, we don't have glue, gali. Ay, your hands are so dirty. Go wash it first. Okay, let me see, babe. Ah, like this, baby.
Mommy, first can I?
Okay. Where's your paintbrush? Where's your paintbrush? Where is it? Here. Oh. Wait, wait, wait. Wait, you practice first. You have to do like this, okay? Okay.
Oh, let me do that.
You wait for mommy, okay?
Okay.
Take it out first. When you're done painting your hand, call me, okay? Here also.
Mommy, I am done. Mommy, done.
Wait, let me check. Let me check some more. Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. You think it's there? Ready?
Set, go.
Okay. Take out your hands.
Ooh.
We'll just paint like this. Okay, here, outside. Outside. 1, 2, 3. Get some. Other side naman. Do like this. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Wait, Daddy. Mimi is still painting. Make it good. Okay. Done.
Daddy, come here. We need instruction. Come here. We need instruction. We need instruction. Then it's time.
What is this?
This one.
Nice.
And she has a badge.
We need glue gun.
Yeah, we need glue gun. Ito na yung aming piniritong isda.
Mommy.
Dalawa na lang natira dyan. Meron din akong lutong white peas para kay Abhito, may sabaw siya. Kasi kami ni Mishka, okay lang kami ni Mishka kahit piniritong isda lang. Pero sa kanya, kailangan niya yung may sabaw. Kasabay kami ni Mishka kay Abhi para pumunta sa supermarket, sa tindahan. Wala na kami mga prutas. And para sa school ni Mishka, prutas yung pinapabaon ko palagi. Kailangan tayong bumili. They have different kinds of watermelon. Different varieties. Kiran, watermelon, yellow watermelon, muskmelon. Na-excite si Mishka. Come, let's go na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 kinds, okay?
Now let's count how many luggage.
Aragay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good job! We are home and she got yogurt. Yan yung pinabili niya dun sa supermarket. I got 2 bags from the market. And yung binili ko, guys, eto, chopping board. Discounted kasi siya. $3.99 yung MRP niya. Tapos naka-sale siya, $199 na lang. Malaki siya, diba? Kasi yung aming chopping board na ginagamit, parang hindi na siya maganda. Medyo luma na din. Pag palagi siyang nababasa, nangingitim-ngitim yung gilid niya. So, parang hindi siya presentable kapag nag-vlog ako. So, yan. Meron na kaming bagong chopping board. Matagal ko na itong iniisip na bilhin. Kaya lang nung last time na pumunta ako sa Smart Bazaar, na out of stock na yung ganitong malaking size. Yung meron lang sila is maliit. Parang kagaya siguro nitong luma ko. Or mas maliit pa dito, 99 rupees. Buti na lang hindi ako bumili last time. Or else mahihinayang ako kasi yung hinahanap ko talaga is yung malaki. Tapos bumili ako ng mga ingredients kasi nag-crave ako ng panipuri. So meron akong mint leaves and coriander leaves. Mamaya magpanipuri kami. Kasi kahapon doon ako sa kaibigan ko sa babae, nagpanipuri kami doon. Then Sev, bumili ako ng panipuri balls. Meron pa ako, kaya lang konti na lang. So nagdagdag ako. Tapos gatas, yogurt. 2 grapes yung binili ko, guys, kasi meron akong kailangan isauli na bowl and plato sa mga kaibigan ko. Yung isa sa taas, yung isa sa baba. Dahil wala akong lutong Indian food ngayon, prutas na lang yung yung ilalagay ko sa bowl para isauli sa kanila. Tapos watermelon, mushroom. Tapos mga gulay-gulay. Ito bell pepper, carrots, potato, onion, banana, lemon, cheese, and chaat masala. Ito lang naman. Afternoon stroll dahil maaga akong nakatapos mag-edit ng video. So, meron kaming time ni Mishka para mag-ikot-ikot dito ngayong hapon. It's jackfruit, yes.
This is not just tape.
Oh, yes. Very good.
I want to go there.
Yeah, let's go. Ikot to eh. Paglabas mo dyan, diretso ka, balik sa bahay. Mga wildflowers lang naman ito. Enough na. Too many. Okay. Let's go. Paakyat siya and then pababa tayo doon, kalsada na.
This is for mommy.
How many did you get?
150, 19.
Oh, so many pa. 150, 19. Sarap pakinggan ng huni ng mga ibon. Ito yung gustong-gusto ko dito talaga sa Madikeri, guys. Nature. And pag naglalakad ka sa kalsada, alam mo yung feeling mo safe na safe ka. No, baby, that is uncle's house. So, hindi ka matatakot na kahit foreigner ka, ibang lahi, naglalakad sa kalsada dito sa India kasi safe, ang safe ng lugar. Hold mommy's hand. Dito na kami. Kalsada na to. Umabot kami dito sa tindahan kasi gustong uminom ni Mishka ng coconut milk, coconut water. And walang coconut doon sa tindahan malapit sa bahay. So, dito kami napadpad. Huh? Anak malay.
Uncle Malay.
One malay. Tell Uncle malay.
Uncle Malay.
One malay.
What? One malay.
One malay. Okay, keep it. It's good? The other one is black. Marami siyang homework today, tas hindi namin na-check kaninang tanghali. So, ngayon lang niya gagawin yung kanyang homework. 2 pages dito. And, yung isa, ito, meron 2 pages. Ito, I'll show them first. 2 homework. D and E. Diba? Nursery pa lang, ang dami ng homework. Done? Okay, very good. Now, circle 2 differences in the set of pictures given below.
This is really good now. You found the waiting and the piyaji picture
Doing homework. This one is small, D. Look, can you erase this and change it? Good job. Ooh. Good job. High five. Ano na to guys? Evening snacks. Yung aking panipuri, hindi ko siya nagawa ng hapon. So ngayong gabi na lang. I'm just going to fry my puri. Nahanda ko na yung aking stuffing and then yung aking panipuri water. Let's fry this. Sabi niya kay Abhi, I need to go down. I need to finish my homework. Really a good girl. Here's my puri, yung aking stuffing, my water, pani. This is a mixture of mint, coriander, and dried tamarind. Tapos yung aking mga masala. Then I also added green chili. I will do my mukbang, panipuri mukbang alone. Yung aking mister, hindi ko talaga siya matempt. Disiplinado talaga siya. Tonight lang. Or baka may chance pa na matempt. Yummy. Or do I need to put Seth? Not really, no? You wanna try? Thank you. So good. Try one on the Daddy.
Thank you.
Mommy, I got one plain.
Plain puri.
Yeah.
Pani-puri balls lang yung gusto niya.
Please like our channel. Subscribe.